Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will do something different than what we usually do. And today I will show you how to make traditional semolina helva. And we have we don't need so many ingredients, so it will be easy for everyone to do. Let's start. We will use two different pots. One is for sherbet, other one for preparing helva. But we will start with sherbet first, so it needs some time for boiling while we're working on helva. And pots should have one cover, especially for helva, and you will understand why.
We will start with sherbet first. Add milk, add water, add sugar, and mix very well. Be sure oven is medium heat. In other pot, we will prepare helva mix. First we add butter. Be sure temperature is in medium. You can add sunflower oil. After some time, you can add pine nuts. Time for add semolina. Mix semolina with butternut mix. Be sure you're taking from pot's wall. You should be extra careful while you're mixing. We will keep mix till it turns brown. Don't forget your sherbet. Mix your sherbet every 1 minute. When it's boiled, you can turn off oven. As you can see color. Now it's time for add sherbet. Put pot cover and make low heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, close oven. You can mix your helva. If you like taste of cinnamon, you can add little bit cinnamon. And we mix again. Put cover and wait 5 to 10 minutes. It's ready. Now time for serving. Today we will serve Helva with ice cream. Get a cup, especially round one. Put plastic cover like how I did. It's for Helva to not stick. Now we're adding ice cream. You can use which flavor you like, but best one is vanilla. We cover ice cream with Helva. You can use little bit pressure. Time for upside down. If you like cinnamon, you can add top of it.
And we finish our helva. It's looking amazing, and I think the smell also so good. I'm sure you will like to try it. This is our helva. I put cinnamon, and I will show you also the side now. And we come to the end of our video. While I'm doing this helva, I enjoyed so much. Hope you enjoyed also while you're watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe us.